a hybrid of on-premise capabilities and cloud services, accelerates innovation, simplifies scale, and reduces cost. Over 80% of enterprises are now using a hybrid multi-cloud architecture for different reasons, including regulatory needs, mergers and acquisition, or even due to worries about single-sourcing key services. Hybrid multi-cloud helps the push for business value, but its complexity brings risk and costs that threaten competitiveness. This complexity impacts at many levels. Challenges in managing the synchronization, integration, and duplication of data, and the latency and balancing of processes across clouds can impact the performance and reliability of the user experience. The increased surface vulnerable to attack also makes it harder to secure the integrity of users and enterprise. And supporting multiple evolving cloud technology stacks requires scarce and costly skill sets. Finally, this architecture can risk building up substantial operational costs and networking and data egress charges. Cognizant's view is that by migrating towards a simpler hybrid cloud, combining on-premises with a primary hyperscaler CSP for 70 to 80% of workloads, enterprises can reduce risk and cost while adding business value. Secondary CSPs are used only where a specific service brings key business value, and preferably in a software-as-a-service model. Data clusters should drive the migration to cloud, co-locating elements that exchange data in volume, bringing compute to where data is. We recommend focusing on portability of architecture rather than applications, standardizing on foundational components and practices for provisioning, platforms, and security, while defining sticky cloud services that are needed but don't fit the standard, and investing in continuous learning to build teams' capabilities. Cognizant can help enterprises avoid the pitfalls of hybrid multi-cloud and maximize business value. To find out more, contact your client partner.